how to create transparent background images in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to create transparent background images so that you can put the text on front in your PowerPoint? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in, open up your PowerPoint, and then now to make this image transparent that you have uploaded on your PowerPoint, just tap on it, right click on it, and then tap on send to back. Now the image will be sent to back and you can drag the text in front like this. So you can even increase the size of the image and then put the text wherever you want and it will look like the image is transparent. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.